Alright, this is a tutorial that might help you with the homework that's been assigned on Edmodo. Robert has 4 times the amount of dimes as Leo. Robert also has 9 more dimes than Leo. This is the same Robert, the same Leo. How much money did the two boys have all together? Now, let's take what we know. It looks like Robert has more dimes than Leo, however many Leo has. So let's take what we know. What do we know about Robert? He has 4 times the amount of dimes as Leo. Do we know how many dimes Leo has? No, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is say R stands for Robert, equals or has 4 times the amount of dimes that Leo has. We don't know how many dimes Leo has, but this little word Robert has, this word has, this kind of gives you an idea that that should be an equal sign, because Robert's amount of money equals 4 times the amount as Leo. What else do we know? It looks like that Robert, same Robert, also has 9 more dimes than Leo. Right, the word more indicates that we're going to add to it. So we could say Robert also has 9 plus however many dimes Leo has. We don't know how many dimes Leo has, but we can find out. How can we find out? Because if Robert equals 4 times Leo, and Robert also equals 9 plus Leo, we could do a check and guess and try to figure it out. So with the equation, we know since R equals this, and R equals that, then this also equals that. Might sound confusing, but I know you'll get it. So 4 times L equals 9 plus L. So this 4 times L right here is the same 4 times L as up here. This 9 plus L right here is the same as 9 plus L right here. So what numbers can we choose that'll tell us what L is? And L has to be the same number on both sides of the equation. So let's try what if L equals 2. Would that work? Would that make those problems a true statement? So if we wrote 2 right here, and 2 right here, what is 4 times 2? Alright, we know that 4 times 2 was 8. What about on the other side of the equation? What's 9 plus 2? 9 plus 2 is 11. Does 8 equal 11? No, 8 doesn't equal 11. So we know that this can't work. What if L equaled 3? Would that work? Let's see. I'm going to erase this real quick. And that. I didn't mean to erase the 3, but anyway. So let's go back and let's try. Does L equal 3? Well, let's see. I put a 3 right here and a 3 right here. Now, what is 4 times 3? 4 times 3. That equals 12. Okay. What is 9 plus 3? 9, 10, 11, 12. So, does 12 equal 12? Yes, it does. So, this works. L equals 3. But is our answer to the whole problem 3? No, it's not. What does this represent right here? This L equals 3. Why do we care? Why do we need to know that? Because L equals the amount of money that Leo had. So Robert has 4 times 3 because L equals 3. So how much does Robert have? Robert has 12 dimes. Remember, that was the original question. How much money do they have? And we know from what our figures were a while ago that Leo has 3 dimes. So Leo has 3 dimes. So what do we need to find? What we need to find is how much they have all together. It's important, boys and girls, that we read our question and instructions several times if need be. So how do we find this out? Robert's 12 dimes plus Leo's 3 dimes equals 15 dimes altogether. Now, how much money is that? If you said $1.50, you would be right. My dollar sign right there, and that is money all together, if I can write that right. I may just need to type that out. But anyway, you get the idea. Money all together. Money all together. Hope this helps. This is the same kind of problem that's on Edmodo.